Welcome to my channel. Let's talk. Let's do talk. We're going to wrap up the issue on Tasha K. There's something that we should talk about. I want to share my point of view with you, and I want you to tell me what you think, really. This whole thing about her attorney, try not to make my veins pop out. Her attorney Olga, who did not provide her with quality legal representation. I was watching the lead attorney and other content creators who were commenting on the defamation suit by Cardi B. And the one thing that I really have to say is that after hearing different responses, it is clear to me that Olga misrepresented Tasha K. First of all, if you are not a civil, do not handle civil cases, defamation, slander, then you're not qualified. I mean, you could be if you have handled it and it's within your purview. However, if you have no experience, it's not within your purview of legal expertise, then you should make a referral to a colleague who is best able to represent in the court of law the needs of the client. So, one of the things that's really kind of disturbing, disconcerting is the fact that this lady only gave in her closing argument 1 minute and 1 second in order to address the issue of damages. So if you're going to get up there in court and speak on my behalf in regarding how much damages should be charged against me, if you have 20 minutes, you only took 1 minute out of the 20 minutes. Something about that is definitely repugnant, repulsive, nauseating, and illegal. Regardless of everything else, you're a professional. And within the scope of being a professional, you have to have some kind of dignity, some kind of, I don't want to say pride about your job and about doing your job. But you should have some kind of integrity. That's the word. You should have some kind of integrity to at least give the minimum quality service to your client. I feel that Olga was negligent. She did not provide Tasha K with quality service. In fact, I think she willfully knew that she could not provide quality service to Tasha K. And she took her money knowing that was not her area of expertise, knowing she was not qualified. Because maybe it's not your area of expertise, but you're qualified. You have some experience. She did not demonstrate any level of expertise that was acceptable. Also, I want to say this. The fact that the jury is going to charge a medical expense to Tasha K of $250,000 when Cardi B's medical expenses was much lower than that is an insult. It's an insult to the legal system, if you ask me, because you look at those numbers, okay? Look at those numbers. That's exorbitant. That demonstrated a strong bias. Even if you say, okay, we're going to punish her, that's ridiculous. It's dishonest. In other words, punishment should fit the crime. Moving on. So, one last thing. I think that the attorney that misrepresented Tasha K should be brought before the ethics board, if there is such a thing, legally. Because what she did was a flagrant misrepresentation, negligence, and incompetence. That type of behavior by an officer of the court should not be accepted in any court. And she should be held accountable for her lack of performance, willful lack of performance, regardless of what Tasha K said or whatever, her emotions, whatever. She's a client. You're the professional. You have to maintain your professional integrity. She did not demonstrate that. And she should be held accountable. Fam, let me know what you think. And peace and blessings.